should remember the next game as well. The winning runs were scored off your bowling, Russell. Goes for it, and it's a big one. Over mid-wicket.
.350, 355 now India. That's what he likes to do, hit sixes, Mahendra Singh Dhoni. Not as often as in the past, but still very, very effective. I don't buy that last stat.
Yeah, pick the slower one.
Fantastic career. With a lot of those runs are scored at the end of an innings. He bats at number 6, number 7. Oh, I remember that 183.
I remember that too. You were playing against one another, Russell.
Jaipur. But that particular inning, he came in at number 3. Sri Lanka had scored 300 plus, Sangakkara 100.
It was a very good track to bat on too. Just completely took the Sri Lankan bowlers apart. The Savai Man Singh. Yeah, you should remember the next game as well.
Ever tried, ever failed, no matter. Try again, fail again, fail better. The world is yours.